So my wife and I were in a car accident a little while back, and all of a sudden, wham, got smashed right in the back end. And unfortunately, the Beetle took the brunt of the accident, and fortunately, we were both okay. They had to tow her car away, oil all over the place, but the Beetle was pretty damaged up. So this is a pretty special car. They only made 1,500 of these cars for the US, and it was very important for us to get this fixed correctly. And I had worked with D&S in the past on collectible cars and my own cars, and I just knew this was the right place to come. Ray has been a friend for years, and his shop has always done a great job. So, hey, that's why we came to D&S. So here at the Elyria location of D&S, they are very, very professional. They went through the estimate, they got us a rental car, and arranged everything. Fortunately, the guys here at D&S kept us very in tune to what was going on with the car, because it took a long time to get parts for the car. Like I said, it's a special car, special parts. So we waited a long time for parts, but once these guys collected all the parts, they really took the time to make it right, get everything just correct. I mean, there was some structural damage to the car in the back end, and they had to do a little repair behind the scenes. They took pictures of the car, why it was being done. They sent them to me, so we were always well informed. And I think, to me, as a car guy, that's really important. I want to know what's going on with the repair of the car, and these guys did a fantastic job. Not to mention the work that they did. I mean, just look at this car. It just looks fantastic. The reason I went with D&S is they're a local shop. They're only 10 minutes down the road, and they just do fantastic work. They've got total professionalism here, because like I said, that with the communication, the work they did on the car, I mean, we were just so pleased. And at the end of the job, we came out to look at the car, and I mean, it was just spotless. I mean, they had polished the car up. It looked like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Why would I recommend D&S? I mean, these guys do a great job. Just look at this car. I mean, a few weeks ago, it was all dented up, banged up, and through the great work here at D&S, it's back on the road. It looks fantastic, and I just couldn't thank the guys enough for the communication they do, and keeping us apprised of when the car was going to be complete and getting the car back to us. I mean, they're just fantastic people to work with. That's all there is to it.